Hello, this is Organization with Olu, and today I'm going to show you how you can smash a 4 marker. Stick around. I think you're going to like what I've got for you. Right now, what I'm going to do is share my screen. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how you can get maximum marks in a 4 marker. But one important thing we need to understand, in a 4 mark, when you have section A, you're going to have section A, section B, and section C, and section D. But the sections we're concerned about is where we're going to find 4 markers would be section A's, section A, section B, and section C. Okay. However, in the section A, you do not refer to the case study. Okay. You do not have to speak in context. They will ask you a question, explain this or explain that. You just you answer it directly. There won't be any case study to refer to. That is in section A. But in section B and section C, you must write in context. And please, if you don't know what that means, please go to my other videos on 6 markers and 9 markers, and I've explained that, okay? But essentially, you're writing, in reference to the case study, okay? So it's very, really, really important, guys. So just to summarize, 4 markers, which is what we're going to do with now. You have the case study, you must apply to the case study, you must write in context in section B and section C. In section A, you just go directly and write there's no case studies. Hopefully that's clear, guys. So let's get on with this. Let me show you an example of how you can get maximum marks in a 4-mark question in section B and section C. So let's start. Sports Direct is an established sports brand, and they're going to open a superstore in the sleepy town of Calthorpe. The Calthorpe Council are excited because it's estimated that 250 local residents will work in some capacity in the sports shop. Sports Direct will create a number of jobs ranging from full-time, part-time, and 0-hour positions. Question is, explain one benefit to Sports Direct of giving 0-hour contracts, okay? Have a look at the question. Explain one benefit to Sports Direct, not to the employees who are going, or not to Calthorpe Council, to Sports Direct. Really important, guys. You read the question really carefully. So how do we answer? This can appear in section B or section C. Now, the mark structure is AO1, which is your knowledge, and your AO2, which is your reference to your case study. So literally all you're going to be doing is point and explain. Make your point and explain, but you have to show your knowledge, okay? So this is an example of an answer you can do. Okay, this is just my suggested answer. Okay, I'm not saying it's the best answer in the world, but it's a good answer, which is what you can do to actually maximize. You can do this kind of answer to maximize your marks. So let's have a look at what I've done. I've gone in straight away, no messing around. Remember, it's 4 marks. That's all you have. You have 4 minutes to do 4 marks to get 4 marks. One benefit to Sports Direct is that it will reduce their costs and enable Sports Direct to make greater profits. Okay. That's the point I'm making. Okay, I'm explaining the point. Okay, I'm going to make, and then I'm now going to explain that as employees are paid with 0-hour contracts means that they'll only get paid when they work. They'll only get paid when they work. And what does that mean? This means that Sports Direct is not legally obliged to provide a minimum number of working hours. That is really important knowledge, because that will get you top marks. Not only will they only get paid when they work, but you're saying they're not legally obliged to provide minimum number of working hours. That will score you good marks if you mention that, okay? Then you need to now get your AO2 marks. So you need to refer it to the case study. The case study indicates that the Calthorpe Council were expecting jobs for 250 residents. If many of them are on 0-hour contracts, this would substantially reduce the costs for Sports Direct. So can you see how I've linked the context, linked the case study into my answer? Okay, so I've displayed knowledge and I've applied it. Okay, so hopefully, guys, this is exactly how you can score top marks in section B and section C in a 4-mark question. So hopefully you've understood that, and you're going to go there and smash these 4-mark questions. Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe, and I'm going to do a lot more of these videos. Okay, bye-bye.